Hi, boys and girls. It's Miss Martin again here doing number bonds with you. We are taking away, so let's get right into it. I'm going to draw our number bond. Remember, I'm going to use these circles. You can use your fingers, you can use cubes, you can use anything you want to use as long as you get the right answer. Okay? I'm going to use these circles. I may draw circles like I did yesterday. I may use lines. As we talked about, you can use anything you want to. I'm going to start with these circles. So, let's get started. I'm going to put 8. And remember, this is where the whole number should be, in the larger circle. That's where the whole number should be. Okay? So in this box, I'm going to put 2. Okay? So we're going to count out 8, whatever it is you have. I'm going to count out 8 circles. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we know that we have 8 circles. That's what our whole number is, 8. Okay? So looking at this number bond, it says take away 2. You have 8, but you're going to take away 2. So let's take away 2. Count it with me. 1, 2. Okay, so now we have to see what we have left. Are you ready to count to see what we have left? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many's left? 6. So we're going to put 6 in the bottom circle. So now our problem is going to look like this. 8 take away 2 equals 6. Okay? That's how it's going to look. 8 take away 2 is 6. I'm going to do another one, and we're going to write it as I go. Okay? And I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to move my counters out of the way. And we're going to get ready to write it as we go. I'm going to make my circles just a little bit bigger. Then I'm going to draw them back. They're a little bit bigger. So we're going to put in the whole number position, we're going to put a 5. Okay? We're going to put the next number in the lower box. We're going to put 1. So this is what I have so far. This is what I see. This is my problem. So I'm going to write what I have so far. 5, take away the 1, and we're going to put equals because we know we have to find the answer. Let's start with 5. Okay? I'm going to count my 5 circles. You can count your lines, you can count your fingers, you can count your circles. Let's get ready to count 5. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? We have 5 circles. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5. Now in one of our part number positions, it has 1. So it's saying 5, take away 1. So let's take away 1. You make sure you take away 1 on your side as well. I'm going to take away 1. Now it wants to know how many are left. So let's count how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3, 4. That completes our number bond. We put 4. So it says, and here's how you read it. 5 take away 1 equals 4. And that's that 4. Okay? Let's do another one. I'm gonna move my circles. Oop, one fell. I'm gonna move them over to the side. I'm gonna clean this up. And I'm going to draw another number bond. And I'm going to pick that one up that fell in just a minute, okay? Here's our circle, our whole number circle. And here's our little circles. Ooh, they're almost as big, but we know they're our part number circles, okay? I'm going to put, and I want you to write this down as well. Write this on your sheet of paper as well. I'm going to put 7. Put 7 on your sheet of paper in your whole number, in your whole number circle, I guess I should say. Give you a minute to write 7. Then I'm going to write 4. So write 4 in your top circle. Write 4. And remember, I said I was going to write it down here as well, just so I could keep up with it. 7 take away 4 equals. Now you know we have to put our answer in this circle. So we're going to leave that open because we're going to find out that number. You ready? It says to count 7 circles. And this time, I'm going to draw my circles. How about that? I'm going to draw one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 circles. Let's count them to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7. Now, the problem tells us to take away, what's that number? Oh, yep, that is 4. So let's X out. Let's take away 4. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? We have to look and make sure we've taken away 4. Okay? Now, we have to figure out what's left. So let's count the circles that are here, that are not X'd out. We're going to count the circles that are left. Ready? 1, 2, 3. And that's our answer. That's what goes in our last circle. And that's what goes in our problem. Ready? Let's say it. 7 take away 4 equals 3. And here it is in our bond. 7 take away 4 is 3. Okay? Let's get ready to do a couple more. Want to make sure you truly, really, positively understand. I'm dropping everything I have on the floor. So I'm going to pick those up. And I pick up my circle. And we'll get ready to do another one. Ready? Okay. We're going to draw a bond. Now, in our whole number circle, let's put 9. 9 is a big number. Now, in our part number circles in the top one, let's put 9. Don't let it trick you. Remember, you have to think hard. So let's write down what we have so far. We know that we're going to have 9, take away 9. And then we have to find the answer. You ready? Let's count 9 circles. I'm going to use my circles. You can use your fingers, cubes, pencils, bows, anything that you like. I'm going to use my circles up here. Are you ready to count with me? We're counting how many? 9. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've counted 9. Let's make sure we've counted 9. Remember, we always have to double check, because if we counted wrong, or items that are wrong, and we aim to take away, that will give us the wrong answer. So if I didn't have 9 items up here, and I aim to take away, it's going to give me the wrong answer. So let's make sure we have 9 so we can get the right answer. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I know I do have 9 items here. It tells me that I'm going to take away how many? I'm going to take away 9. That's all of them. So let me take away 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do we have? 0. We don't have any. It's 0. 9 take away 9 is 0. We have no more left. Okay, we're going to do another one of those. I don't want to drop anything else. We're going to do another one of those. Okay? All right. Let's draw our bond. And I'm going to put 6. Going to put 6. Okay? 6. And in our bottom box, or bottom circle, excuse me, we're going to put 6. Okay? So we already know our problem is going to be 6, take away 6. And remember, we have to get the answer to put in the top circle. Okay? So let's get ready to get 6. I'm gonna use lines this time, okay? Okay, let's count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, I have 6. Okay, I'm going to take away 6. So I'm going to X out 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if I X out 6, how many do I have left? That means how many do I have without an X on it? 0. Okay, so the problem is going to be 6. Take away 6 is 0. 0. Okay, let's do a couple more. I'm going to erase what I have. And I want you to do this one with me. I'm going to give you time to think. I'm going to use a blue marker this time. Okay? Okay? In this circle, the whole number is going to be 10. It's going to be 10. Okay? I'm going to put a 5 in the top circle. So we know that we have 10, and we know that we're going to take away 5. Okay, I'm going to give you a couple of minutes to get your answer. Give you a couple of minutes to get your answer. Okay. Now let's work it out. I'm going to use my circles, and we're going to count 10. Okay? Well, let me use my fingers. We have 10. We have 10. And we're going to take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many do we have left? How many do we have left? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 left. I'm going to put 5 in that last circle. I'm going to write it here. And this is how we say it. 10 take away 5 equals 5. Okay? 10 take away 5 equals 5. I know we can do it. Let's do a couple more. Okay? I'm going to draw our bond. Okay? I'm going to put 2 in the whole number circle. And I'm going to put 1 in the bottom circle. Okay? Let's write what we have so far. We have 2 take away 1 Now remember, we have to get the answer to put in the top circle. Are you ready? Let's count. How many? 2. 1, 2. Okay? We have our 2 that's in our whole number position. How many do we have to take away? 1. So let's X 1 out. So now we have to see how many's left. How many's left? 1. So our problem is 2 take away 1 equals 1. That's our problem. Boys and girls, this is our last one for tonight. I will come back tomorrow with more number binds. Have a wonderful evening and stay safe.